Anyone can draw. I know it sounds like a slogan, but I honestly believe that anyone can draw. We all started as drawers, with a crayon in our hand and a piece of paper. Children have this uninhibited approach to making marks. Just letting go of any expectation and just sort of taking these key ideas and just playing with them. It's a way to sort of release that fear and just sort of be in the process and find joy in that process. And anyone can draw masterfully. It's never too late to start. You just need a pencil and a piece of paper.